Honestly, if I count my life using my friends, I've made a lot of friends.
Yes, it makes you happy.
I have made a lot of friends who I cannot count. Unajua
kila rituko nkonyora nuri n'abantu abagiye kwarosyo bwa mate.
Number 2, kila situation nero ngo komekira kwa make friends.
Yes.
When I was in primary, I had friends onyoranga to some primary yamo.
Yes, wontoka na school,
a group of schools. You make friends there. Oh, ka secondary pia you meet friends. Nilisoma school every secondary. I made friends and I made friends. When I was in college, I also made friends. I was in 2 or 3 colleges, by the way. Universities, maybe Kisi. I also made friends. When I was in my attachment, wherever, I made friends. Now we have bigger friends. Those are friends. And again, there are some circumstances. I love politics. We have made political friends. They are those friends of circumstances.
Yes.
Barokoros because of Dini. Barokoros because of politics. Barok because of Chinyangi, Chitarinke. Sherehe mingi. So if I count my life today, I can say I'm 100 years plus. Because
you're a happy
I'm a happy man. I've made a lot of friends and I'm keeping on making friends.
I think
there's someone who will get you who has never seen you physically, but he's saying that guy is good, that lady is good. Now there's a lady. There's a friend. So we have made friends. And the part that part of tears and joy, perhaps I want to
count your life by smiles.
I want to toko beke line kidogo. But then the happiness, sometimes it is you who create your happiness. Nobody is responsible. By the way, let me tell you this for free. Mudote yora komeko happy. I want to have a boyfriend, I have a girlfriend who makes me happy. No. It is you who makes your happiness. Sababu, how you think and how you take
positivity.
Things. Yeah.
Bunanje, the moment I came across this quote, para kosirigere obugima wao, ase chi smile chiri, ebintu mbirenga byako kiri asobugima boya. Amate munara mangewe itire. This situation is very chingong, but you come out strong. Ekero kurigire obugima bwae from the other side, obugima bwao nigo ekororekananga bugocha byakuba ekero kurigire obugima bwao wachaka kubara amariga nkarenga kwaririre kikiagere tokaro okonyoro you're always a sad person. Umuntu kunyagore ekero asekero nande evono egotebanga focus on relationships and experiences, not of years lived. Ngalikireria ase obwamate kwa focus korosio obwamate enabantu nabo igo kotwara experiences gose kunya gwesomie ebintu ekero asekero. Friends, happiness and experience nigo bikorokia gose nigo biko indicate a life fulfilled.
So
omogoko akorosia basani nabo igo okwemanye ebintu ebingi ogwesemia.
So again, you know, this happiness, you give yourself happiness. Another thing that sometimes get limit happiness, it is because people, we think a lot even to totabuati, but we don't celebrate what we're having.
The little we have.
Someone says, oh my titumbuati nyombangi ya, my titumbuati kendeke, yani we celebrate biribita iyo, which are too much bigger than your expectation. Like we need to be happy. Like reroiga, I'm Sami and I might not be having a lot. Lakini reroiga, I'm good health. There are some people who have a lot, but they are spending millions and millions in hospitals. So sometimes be contented na kiliwate asikoikire. Matches na ndito tiga kinga bona isanekire, ngabona inde ngabonde ya 001 nata tutsana kine bitobwate, want to atire. Go kora isaneka, and as you are looking for a way to make whatever that you want, and it can be achieved.
Ogoitabera na kirege kobwate na ndebona gintu kindi giguchigia kwa moyo ase ekero menyete ni gukurigire kwa robna abantu mbara bange sana baligeti gwikasore baligeti ko babunae abantu mbara bange bagotegemete komenya kuminga ki inje bono bunante aminetiga abaiga ningi babwatiti asende.
It is the same thing that I saw a story, by the way, tutaranda sama gazeti. It's good for some inspirations kidogo. There's a story I read social media nengiere nande ne wataya lakini nero nengiere.
Yes.
Then I read a story nga montonaro ikene into kiri practical, go at home and you look at that. Montonaro orekorosia chingenda akoros chingenda bekeliko. And you know nchiro jiri chimba alikorusi obe chingi yoti kago chabulende chiendeliko. Bara chiri chimbe chiri akorukanga na chichimbe he takes them oruta chimogondo gali. Oye kechiga chiai oli. You see now they only have nutritional value. But chiri chimba tu kutago chimogondo na chagari and chiamiri and chiproduce chingia naende.
Yes.
I see. So what is the implication that I want to bring about? Sometimes your shoes that you think you have worn for years, it can be new to someone else. Whatever. There's something that you see. Very useless, but to others, it's very useful. So also you have no balance. Even tongo happen vile kilikire kiba sore kilikia vile kautua sore na kikire kilia servant band according to the level that you want. Then I was teaching some people over the radio there over the ringa mosonga basonga, but they have a lot that sometimes we have what you call opportunities, and that sometimes God can close a door of opportunity, then He will always make sure that kona asiye keke, but I have to open another one. Whichever way.
Some no mai tena boirigo. Ekiagera, ekero kwanya ringe binte biga bya temire wose byangire gukora sense moyende. Ekero kugata kurwa moino nigo konyaranga bya beire bya. Wose ekero kwanya murango yo sie ekero kene buna bono. Ekero kurige buna bona banta bangi bakurira emirimo abantu bakurigia enibo. Okonyaranga nonye na senka gose nekero monta asiri obugima bwae. Okonyaranga abantu ngo itita bare kigima barera sana. Lakini tori komanyanga ekero watigiru gose buna bono sam totebe no montore fast bona senka wasinywanga ki ekero moiboli abolire ningi gego chikiaba sekero moiboli totebe buna omotata bwenka onare osiribo gimabwae do you know ekero kwa akorire kolera akorera korokungwa nchire. It's good to cry. Ekero okorigereria abantu abangenga ekero muntu akora chandikete ekero okorera nkokonyera omuntu kwa relieve pain nande ekero gintu kirikia erire no manyete ngangu cha kore korigia chinjira chinga okwanyara gwetenenera kwa like kwanyara ko ba responsible.
Yeah, sure. You should be
responsible. Na beko obororo bonge lakini koko chiko ko ya chinkaki ko ika amatuko gete go kurigere maiga kwanyara goseka ngorego kiagera situation injire kero kene ko irete ngutanyale gutambuka.
Ta tocho tagerera. There's a certain pastor from Ghana okurukwa mesa otabile ga gotebanga. Much as people are raised by single mothers, single fathers, and abantu muri bari chintakana kose batabwatia bayiburi babo, but you cannot live every day with a mind that my attention omwana we single mother
okonya kwerera
my attention omwana we
timbwati bayiburi.
I mean, man up, come on. Abayiburi unabono, let me ask you, I'm Musai mbono ngukina mbono nkonya korjobo gimatare. Could it be I had a father who say I have him, who say whether I have him or I don't have. Sorry. Still my father, don't you think I could be struggling the same thing? At this age, do you think I should be calling my father my Tom same baker again? Whether
he
was there or not, there's a time you accept the reality. I'm an orphan, but I'm here where I am. You cannot keep on. There's a time you kill them. Like, you don't need to see them. You need not to remind the people you are like that. You don't need to be crying. You have to man up. Think of something. Think of something. So this struggles also comes in.
ukurigire umuntu kwa ikakanyara nginka kinero ukorera sana lakini after tutebe umitinyi kadhaa ke usika busyo kwarigire mayo kwa buri kina hariko alafu na ndaba ntumbare there are people who walk out of your life who make your life better
so na very go
mati opportunity njire chiko gotiga chiago konya kwanyora better one
there are some good biases chire chingia opo mona gata binga bore funny sana sometimes nabo konyoranga okay diango there so when God closes a door we say when a door of opportunity is closed ndenero ikugure lakini abantu abange twanje tukurigirira
audio siekiru otene na rogunya kolera
kolera ngakiga kyantiga ngakigo sandigereria using you don't realize some other good
cry once is okay kuchari ukorera korokurira
but again it is not bad to be sad they say it's not bad yani terigento kerekenene kebe koba no muichano gose gutagoka it is very normal but don't exceed your mogoko you sa over no mogoko simply because of some people we are not destined we meet people tokora na bago okora na ngo korokara abantu you know much as you are being broken na ngo baro kare what break so there's someone who is crying because of you and there's who is crying because of someone
yes ngo ikore chinga kisamu kwegunga oende onyore no nyasoro sana gose asegitio ndata iyo onga upige nduru moja safi okore mchando yao nga ikero mwako kwera kwando kwake kurekemo wakorera ni watu kuterani gose kwebera ni mechanda iri kwa veri ko wetera anyway nekero tokenere tugukwana mangana yo opportunities chigo chana ndi chagenda tukurigirira egazeti ya The Standard yeri tukuria rero egukwana mangana ye bunge nene nande buna samu manyete ekero ukurigirira ebunge chi committee njanya lete gose amonchoririo nanya lete korekana se ebunge enene hana muna se chinse meri ye chi committee chiraroro na tukurigireria bono abarai ogosi abana committee abangao banyarite gochoro buna bono tukurigireria se committee eri ya budget committee bwate amangana mange nige gukwaniranga egazeti yeri ngana rimwe muri gutanga dishonorable nchirakie House of Rules members of parliament led by majority and minority leaders went for jugular of former leadership of the budget committee under the pretext of discussing biased budgetary allocations. Omurai wa barabange omuske oyore omurai wa barabange omuske Kimani Chungwa na Junet Mohamed yote netense moya bali barabakime ebunge nigo bono banyarite gukwanira guseko yora engana ya oyo tenenerete e budget ime yebunge committee ya budget ime bunge Muskindindi Nyoro nekero gotegerera Muske Kimani Chungwa na Junet Mohamed nigo babo bonsi banyarite kumumochia Muskindindi Nyoro asikeria gotebanga nigo ari kwibikira chibesa chinyingo uchaste ebunge yae chichekiranite amagende
so let me say this according to what I had jana especially as ebunge nene I had time na tegerete abajumba basana and you realize number one let me tell you that those committees work and sometimes nabora anyorenga taringa it's bad will gosenegen teke bekiagerete Muskindindi Nyoro akarusiwa esinginchonga nebwati chitam chia naboko nabo ngo korabare gento tokorukanga there's re-elections in those committees so let us not forget that despite rendendini nabata atwaro mbere wicha somo raibense lakini nare tam go ikere yabo yaera yagero muntu rusi nabako bari elected gose nabako bari elected go sarusi una bona rusi tikwe baka replaced by those other members inamba yakabren kalinga keretamya neribono enchira nere Kenya tunarite tokoranga umuntu narusi gose ne tamya yaika tokoranga ndako umuntu oyo
ndigabata
magoso na ndika nande bono yaberenga circumstances yechiga ndrete na chichiko kare twarengere boy inamba yakabere abarayi ababoka they are making us believe na maybe umungwano yo nabwata magoso onye time yao yaikire and the leaders if they feel that your time is not there and they don't want to put you anymore they shouldn't be gukuliria magoso
na ndebone bitone bichinga kichiga
kokoro kinganga kikwarengo mobe and
ango bare kubikwanira karobis
let me tell you this I was looking the way Ndindi Nyoro was analyzing that is being responsible in terms of management. Agataba ngomora ina ba kuruga ganda atike 1 million ase school gete. Kuruabu tariko manyanga kikiakora kikiakora. But within he makes sure that every coin is well accounted for. Kikiakora. Let us not take away responsibility to tueka bande but very responsible. I want to say that strongly. Na ande tiganda ko Matilda. In this country, what do we want? Taria magender. Wano ga kipa ko nanda okora magendo.
Ndia babunge bakuiwera bove. Obabwire senchira ya magendo.
Much as abananchi ba embara and they have seen that. I was giving you an example yesterday ngokubonga ki we have Sakaja. Why is he why a Sakaja who is in a very huge county, in fact population here in Nairobi why it is working in terms of lunch program and it is not even working. So I mean it was so bad, the reasoning of Abaraya. I want to question their reasoning, the way they thought about those things. Igor Aribunge. That he is allocating himself. And the end who allocate? The parliament just allocate. Who approves? It is the same MPs.
Yes.
They have to look at that document, create a constituency, 100 million per financial year. I mean, this is so questionable. Now who approve? In fact, the people who make the budget and approves. It is the MPs who approve that. Yes. So that is the corruption on and the treasury yet having about njenge chigesi njonde budget.
Nigindukire wazi ba wakira chikura.
Hapana. I mean, let us not be misleading Kenyans. Ndindi Nyoro has done his work. Let us give him his flowers. Don't feel inferior.
One ndotinga almost ke Junet Mohammed nigawatanga it reached to levels that the chair of the committee, other MPs are going to use a constituency for benchmarking.
MPs who are going there to benchmark and every
MP yes, and which MP can afford through NGCDF to build classrooms, plaster them, put windows, roofing, tiles, cabro. Which MP can afford to do that? MPs
can do that. Wanapata mgao wa NGCDF 100 million per financial year. They can manage that, only that they be responsible. Like they follow every point. So there, I mean, for me, I want to strongly believe. Questioning a Maraya Korega say I and approve the same budget that goes to the constituencies, then I think we have reconstituted the Budget and Appropriations Committee, and it will not be business as usual. Now, whoever is elected to committees, it's not an opportunity to enrich yourself or allocate your constituencies or to those who are your friends above others. Ngabono ekero ogwacho riri bageri turikoira ribageri abane goetenengia gusego kotenengia bari barabasani bao ayo nigo agukwana nere Junet Mohammed ritukore igoro yani Kimani Ichung'wa ritukore igoro kero baringe ase bunge nene kero bagende tukumurikira Ndindi Nyoro mekanya ritukwikirania amagenderero ase constituency iaye. Page ya kabiri igazeti ya The Standard agotebanga governors fault treasury for not filling gaps left in health sector. Ngabono ni governor baye mochiri kiganje kenene igie serikali unankira nyara gwikirani gusenga na kikegerete umuchando guse umugwa umoneno gendete kwenekiwa ase ensemo eri yoboche no nene mono una ase kurigereria gusigushughulikira abarwire bali babwate oborwire bwa HIV na boigo amanganari iye vaccine ya TB. Ngapono chibese chiga kusekere kiganje kitarabotuka 30 billion gocha ase usekero chibese chitarabotuka gocha ase wizara yobocheno nakyo yo neringane girerete okolemara ko bocheno ase ense ya Kenya.
na bo igoni ndo chumuganda igasam na bo orora ko kie ese goteba ipedia gatatu goteba na court warns a woman to keep off daughter in forced marriage row. The daughter claims she escaped from home after getting wind of plot to marry her off. Aba igori umusubati oyomo obwato mwana omonyaroka oikire miaka yogo chake family nigona igita kumubitiriria thaitu kumunyomi.
Yani atate asoke.
Yes.
Yani by the way maite buna bon. I don't know if you have realized squeezy even women they don't prioritize marriage. Majority some of the women, let me not say majority because some of the women prioritize even making themselves like baba bantogete bayete nenerete. They don't prioritize marriage. Like batete baranyole bintu byabo byeiga. Like nabara bago fight their space. Bantu batete go no buraya basbati baro batagete no ene chiseme mo adamo. And I know my thing I can very into this. No na soka. If your man cannot understand you, you are not a wife material. Let me quote that. Because because kromondo bona gana somete. Kromoswat bona gana somete. Kromondo no ole gaiga. Bono musaja akoranga andake. Is this a wife I brought? Because she's doing her own things. The start mentality we have from those days. No muswati ga went to cover igano monto went to cover chikoni muswati no monto went to koranga kimuga ko yakoba bana ngakibako I sing. But komanye de gocha whereby one go mwana mwisi no monto ire chingu. Monto chite school enda in the colleges universities na waichire. Yes. Karba rura gali na roba tegas. Banyorega simonda ko so ega 6 in the morning to 7 in the evening. Bono no musacha kwa nyarango chiri no mapema kumu. Nero gutangana nyumba. Anya okenye sukumu. Umanya kubolinga is this the wife material that we always say. Mbwata bona iga. So even tobune biga abantu bayisikemba bona iga batikete chinyoma bayikino ne myaka bamenta ko nyomu. But batikete they're struggling, they are giving their sacrifice could just say maybe education and other things, businesses and whatever. So, about my thing, is it good that you from one way kill me? You more telling about no way to soccer, so went to take Anyoro Mundo and I saw Garande Mozambique. She will still be back at home. So, we need some balancing and by the Bible, to understand the trend. And say, change the dog. They bear with us. Na intu na barabuto wente oso kalende miaka ikere na intu ntoro teba ngalende se bona ya change na haron to ira time. So we need to bear each other.
Rit kore goro naro chenaro ombole tinga ne wika kwalinge ukwanira enyoma ekiagera umetekero kurigirire rero rituko number 71 aso mwako uyo iga okuburi kwane kwarenkenga ki ekira matukaya ikiri abasaya abange umetebona iga kiro kurigirire yake kwalie kenene niko gose abasaya abange ba genzi amangana abacandete no kurigie meremo okurigi besa oni bonkenge nawe uguchaka chi family ono ngaburi ngaki kiro kene ngo abange tingu mwako uyo tori koera utaragache nyomba mwako uyo tori koera utarairo monto seino kose utaratebia boibolinga ne nchendo chinga matukaya na ikire yoko batiga naregia kunete moralia naregia kunete akambolinga gwika kwari gukunira riote meterera amangana enyoma sinyira basaya.
Number one nakinata ite gotabi amangana in terms of Gen Z maite those days, let me just be referring those days chinga kichaba mama baito na basokoro baito. Women knew their roles. Like women no zinga kerona chira senyomo go ikansi komo ga kone go ika ibintu mbira maitare ko kora bira automatic. That's why chinyomo chianga very simple. Lakini rero iga everybody is informed. I don't know whether you have realized thing about Gen Z where we are inclusive. Squeezy ekentoke ko kera no relationship chigo konga we don't listen to each other.
Kero monda kagitama nete kivya.
Kiro toko kange kiburi ego. Ere on a top notch. By the way, yabe ire igoro. That's
people
don't sit and reason.
Buna ye yage koroka nere igoro sana Sam.
Well, don't accuse me. Don't accuse me. Bono. Like people don't want to sit and reason. Agan to kabere. Kiro monta imo kerete igoro. Kiro monto feels they are superior, including ladies. They feel like bare on top ngana barabu they should be listened to. One again take kiagere obo mabwabera bokon bana we don't sit and reason together to manyinga what is good for our maybe relationship. Rero igachinyo machinge chigo sareko konyo mwana muntare 30 years but tware go sena was but I'm not measuring.
Lakini Sam kubata kanega senti ya rero. Ngakoto wants a woman to keep off daughter in forced marriage rao. Kiro kurigerelia. Buna umuyibure karate tukopeterere omwana swasi.
Mwewe tabante kubetere mwana swasi nyo mwana.
Lakini nora nyoronga no nyo mwana oyiga konyo ikire myaka ikogaso umuyibure kurende ndo chenga matukabanga abayibure mbabante kwikaransa gukwanira abana babo ikiagira bunanje no mbolinga which is the right age was the correct age como onyaruka bwente kosoka kurusobo tinko manye ikiagira kiro omonto ne myaka wakorete skuru timanyi myaka erenga omonto akorete skuru nero na tingo manyanga ngento kiagenderete usagende tukurigire yasobuge mabwae amanya goso ase nyombo
abantu babugate dreams cyabo Tombaro no what the dreams choko bomuraria wabero muraria
levo nero tagetu otagetu oika so lakini kera waikiraro no na ndena bogo ikarro kwanyoranga abantu bali otagete mpai
because bono konyago kina standards chao na chireche konyago genda chireguru
na page ya gatano egotebanga Raila men snap up House committees top jobs nga aba ria pare kurasikia akirikia ODM anne muno bali bara basani bae moske Raila Odinga niko banya leto konyora mabaga manene kigima asia amangana yo ye chi committee ime osichi kamati yecho chinyinge ime ye bunge nene ne bwata igabuna public accounts committee yewe chukura wana tindi mwale ntubwate muna budget appropriations committee tubwate Samu Atandi Aroro na public investment committee on education and governance tubwate Jack Wamboka na boigo na abande abange asechi kamati icho na boigo tukurigereria ige page gatano na rimwe gotebanga ababunge nigo asoma koyiga budget highlights of financial year 2025-2026 ntubwate nga increased allocations ababunge nigo bagocheko banyalite kwementa chibesa chire 7 billion more ase budget bono yo mwaka oyoiga ogocha kurigire gusekera bagende tukurigireria budget yo mwaka 2025 gocha 2026 ngabono nigo banyalite kwementa 7 billion / health budget bakanyara kunacha uri oso ase health amangana priorities some no agosoera inchira ki paranyare kunacha na indi chibesa kurwa sense moya health kosego ke ya chibesa budget iri bone to ko allocated gochase wizara yo bocheno yet it's the same ministry ebwatu muchando monne boniga pero kuriya ase wizara yo bocheno no chibesa chipani to kurigi ukomento boniga lakini ababunge banyare kwementa 7 billion page ya gatano na limo gazeti ya The Standard na boigo ntobwade nande amangana ya chibesa gose amavuta amangana ya petrol nga alichi kondira roro lia April ekiombe kirigiteneta amangana ya petrol Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority EPRA asensi ya Kenya new price policy fuels pain of consumers ngabono nigo yarorire gose yarore kanenga nande super petrol ngochire comment kana nechi siringi isano na ibere enuguta isano na isatu 7.8 per liter na boigo diesel h comment na 7.75 amafuta yeta ya ose kerosene achi comment na 7.67 igo chisiringi isano na ibere we useto teve 80 bob chigo chikomenta kurwase kuchase petrol iyo rengane kongo irineri chiko gose policy egendete kurigiriwa na EPRA iyo yabere proposed
because my date 14 watambe every month na rio back review ama kurende ya mafuta the price ya mafuta but I think by tomorrow not today tomorrow we shall have known nga igendete asenseme ya EPRA
na we page ya gatano na gatatu ngukwanirira mangana yikiombe kirikia RSF ose abara ikurase kiombe kirikia RSF imegense ya Sudan gochaiga sense ya Kenya sasa watanga African Union, European Union and Sudan government fault Nairobi for hosting rebel leaders nana kumanyeti ikiombe kiga nkikagiri kusingibwatiraniri na mangana yogoita abantu abange kigima gose masaka gwikirania ugoitwa kwa abantu abange asense ya Sudan kolende ugoikaranza kwabo gusugocha kwabo aigase umuchi asense ya Kenya na gukora igikarase amagacho a KICC chitariki 13 umutinyo kabere umwaka uyiga nigo bono kwaretire libirera litindi kurase ababwatani bw'ikiombe kia African Union na European Union na boigo kurwa ense ya Sudan enyene mwana uyu page ni ya gatano na gatatu na boigo ntobwate PS pledges to rebuild public trust in police Dr. Omolo uyo tenete wasoro mu principal secretary ase ensemo yoborendi moske Raymond Omolo ni kanyarite goteba gochare kwene kiabuna bono abakenya batwariro kwegena guchase abo bisa gose abanyanyimbo mutekero kurugere ya police abantu abange babweta abasigari ikiagera kero kene mbali kubegena kose igo bamanyekanite nga anonsi squarole uniform chabo amangana gokorekana roro tali amangana akogokia bono yirire omo principal secretary bamangana yoborende boime moske Dr. Raymond Omolo hanyare goteba kuchare kwenekia buna bono nigo abasigari baranyare kwegenwa kima sense ya Kenya nga Dr. Omolo admits concerns over abductions hurting police relations with the public anemona samangana yogo chererwa kwa bakenya
of course we have lost trust as we just police
korra abanyanyimbo bono turiko manyanga oyo no mo
mwate neringa abanyanyimbo mwate bicha baete ngoro ukoloni liri kale mwate abanyanyimbo bare so bruto bare utume kunechi serikali okora forced taxation and all those bono ebicheli embeka kana abanyanyimbo ero up to date lakini they are human like us and they are the ones bakora make sure ngare ntobwata security igo abanyanyimbo na barabumbi na damu
mbuya mono ikigima nande nga some ase gazeti ya Daily Nation
toko ganda ase gazeti ya The Daily Nation do cheka iga impunity business owners lose goodies of undisclosed value as gang descends on shops mura events by the no arichinsa macha Nairobi kunya gwikirania magendero and of course kunya go commenta liberera commenta chira
promises
the promises and of course kunya koleta balende buna abo chikubwatrana no mara ibe chama ya ODM muske Raila Odinga ndoche ga is it impunity that umura ibe so chire na magendero but again we are having some people suffering ase kundi kego cha kumochia rende kubate buna gukora magendero
abasa abange ni bakorwo baikirani obosari
gukora obosari so nakito bakubule muri kibega city yakubulinga is it impunity like why should a president go somewhere to bring amagender lakini
obosari
barusi bintu kaiga oroche no maite Nairobi bunera no yobenda and you understand what happens there so nabo umurikyo begazeti yiga akoboria umugano yigo konyora se page ya kabere abo yiga ya gatatu ase gazeti ya The Daily Nation igomona basaye I don't know is it the harsh economic times to bwata na chigo fosi abantu bakora bintu bakora gose
ya na abantu bono obawanja nande ngagirite ngane kero siasi ntindie ngende kwenekiwa ukoligereria abakenya bange mbare bataragokiwa no kubwata na gwe serikali yo sokorosi wa kwa broad based government bono tukumanyanga nsiasa egoswana na imekiagira aukero kuligereria abasayabo inshira bagusaga na abantu na bono litukoria mwisonde ikero kuligereria chi video chigotare mitandao hani bakuigura chigari abantu bare para barobo abantu baika ebioski basoime barusie bintu bono bairira abantu bande banyari usike obonjore bwabo kero murai wensage nderete netaro tukwibolinga why only in Nairobi na ndene kero nkige kogera nekero murai wense arorora kole taro ya yarro yes
igando che SPJ ya kabere ne ya gatatu bako erera buna abasaya baiga bose bali ba kwaneke bosari obo bagendete kusari chiduka na bintu binde garia ase ensemeria ya Nairobi. Ase page ya kane shadowy figure in comment of judges JSC battle nyiranga abara imbaro gose abantu mbaro paka netiko Russia aba baadhi gose katia bara ibalia gose aba judge bari ase ensemeria ya JSC Judicial Service Commission nabono Chief Justice Lady Justice Martha Koome na boigo na bande na babo Philomena Mwilu yore Deputy Chief Justice igo ekesi kinga ndrete nande na okonyora mangana ya sobo ikran kerole asepeji yakane ni ya gatano alafu matuta to kuskabosio asepeji ya gatano na limo 10 billion roads kiti standoff Harding County staff traders bono iga ekoroka nanga chibe sanchiro chiri 1.7 billion chigo clear salary arrears go just health care workers as of 2017 to 2021 collective in bargain. Okay, it's according to the Editor's General report. Go say Auditor General 10 billion roads kiti standoff Harding County staff and traders. That 10 billion chibanda ko submitted go just say chipara. The big issue we have in this country is chipara. Bono nchira nyara ko ba chiko ba allocated well egera chinyara ko ba chiko ikirania obuwa ga chubwe pare chipare chi. Kumatinga sei na hari chipara nchiro?
Chipara nchira roro na ninche personally nabo otogende tukumwerereria omobunge Onyaribari Church musikezaire ejanda
Onyaribari Church
yes nche no Onyaribari Church Onyaribari Church ase omobunge zaire ejanda ndotinga nagenderete gotema kigima kweneke buna chipara chonsi chabeire
I come from Onyaribari Church as well.
Yes otetige saidi ase no neronta manyenga chipara nchira rokorende nchase naitire na ndekero nkurigereria me ye bunge ya Onyaribari Church ndotinga chipara nchitemete korosi warro kigima nande eyo abantu abange bagendete kogokera nase chitaraikirwa naro nabo bagutema kurambaria chiri kiranda constituency nene inchingo tema chiri
ahora nyorenga asensema ya no chitaraikirwa bara I hope nganchi kiru toko genda sepeji gatana kabere nyoro hosted from BAC yani budget allocation committee in batch of Gachagua Alice. So I said like it is a interpretation. Nyorenga ni tamu ya ko nyore ikre obviously akaruo but due to circumstances that's why we are seeing the way we are seeing. Na baya kabere all along this government you have been having majority of the budget allocation committee chair held na bajumbe bari on the government side. There are opposition. This is the first time. I think it is the anxiety actually. Yani even the opposition they are surprised holding that seat. Yomo budget.
Abanyakero
because
kwanza abose budget kotwara umuntu kuranse ensemo ya opposition.
Just the other time I was asking that we are having ngomungwana kurkwanga nere the majority and the minority, whereby the majority and the minority, the majority are from the government side, who should be taking care of the policies chair government, Nairobi protect the issues chair government as a parliament. But as me they were the majority, I was being surprised. How can we have Junet Mohammed assume like Konyarambara Swa Serekali? We are having an opposition enero egospia the policies chair government.
Yes,
and, yeah, we are assuming that as mio that part Konyarambara Swa government nearly chikeria majority yachire na ndeli ikira nigu. How possible was that? Kerore a majority leader from the opposition and now you are bringing in policies chair government. Okay, we have a constitution, by the way. Our country is led by a constitution that this is what should be done in terms of committees, who to hold this and who should not hold this.
Ayare bunge hasa matuka ega ndochinga ensemo ya opposition onye bona babunge bali batuketa bake mpari ko chikotenda kege ma opposition yero nkoerere ase bunge
nando kuno gukora demokrasia kuno gukora demokrasia yes And then ikaga to usikabusio se page gatano kabra senators accuse Mbadi of treating the Senate like a village baraza. Bono kaiga ndochio mu National Treasury and Economic Planning Cabinet Secretary Oyori John Mbadi bono ndo chaba senator bakargo complaining akoranga takari kubalire neli soligia. Bono koranga michanda nero asensemei kurendo mugano na bakonyara se page gatano na kabere. Ase page gatano na gatatu Matilda ndobwate kaiga I must see my daughter before execution. Igaiga no Margaret Nduta, the Muranga woman who was sentenced to death on March in Vietnam during drug trafficking. Na wanu muswati nara gaiga obete
kawo kumero
sentenced to death. Maiteri chikilindi arwita sense ya Kenya. Ogo sibu maisha. Lakini wanu igase nsema ya Vietnam paka tabanga na babu ente kuitwa. Kino bono mamu abakara batebanga ateto na atara na maguru paka Vietnam amorore atara nyara kwa gusiro bwagwaye
amangana makomi na ndekero tukunya kubolinga abasaye kuse omuntu onde bwensi onyekoro mu Kenya ekero kwanyorire libaka lyo kugenda chinsi cha maiko gocha kurigia ase ngagire na pastures kwachire kurigia bitoki tigazo gutumika chinjira chira atarishe ubugima bwao buna bono okunya konia mario ekero kurigia abakenya abange bali babiri bagoseri kwa kurwa chinsi cha ngumbu ose babikiru biara na mangana yo ya amangana drug trafficking iyo itali boronge yes.
Bono, ebintu bune by then abikogera. Nakina tabaringa about there are some people who are forced to do things in the name of harsh economic, but you have to behave. Your character can take you places. Character lakini eliembe yoko end up onyorenga kwanyaro remechana.
Abo tware nivo lakini nchireri yoko yerigi.
Ina rara manena se gazeti ya Daily Nation. Iko kerota ite kwanyore mangana mange yenda onyore gazeti ya The Daily Nation.
Embe muna kigima na nto kurigire gazeti ya Taifa Leo ndoche engane mwamu ahiga igotebanga ndebote bicha ya murai bwense kare ensemo na ensemo yende nigere omoske Ndindi Nyoro omubunge Okiaru asegotebanga Nyoro achezewa arafu Ndindi Nyoro achezewa arafu umupira kero gwa kurafu sam nayo rantebinga kero umupira ore rafu gongaki
igono kubunu no kubekirwe enti
mabunana
entingiri mabunana mate Ndindi Nyoro was once a darling yomoske William Ruto
kabisa
lakini rende that tells you nga iseye you can
siasa na verego
na siasa verego
baada ya ushirikiano wa dhati wa miaka kadhaa Ruto na Ndindi Nyoro watengana kisiasa kwa uchungu ngabono nigo banyare koba ababisa kigima ase amangana asiasa igagotebanga mwisho wa urafiki ebicha yaye umuske William Ruto umuske Rigathi Gachagua no umuske Ndindi Nyoro nigo bono ekoro kananga utengano Ndindi Nyoro hawa wa kwanza kati ya wafuasi wa Gachagua kuonyeshwa pala kamati ningi gekogera kero kende anyarete kuruswa ase o ekero geke gakonyora bwate gose ningi kiagere bono arare kigima no murai wense nkubwate kana nere kororekana gakonya gutara nere umuske Rigathi Gachagua ase amatuko abwangoiga na boigo ntobwate ngamvutano kati ya bunge seneti wanyima county pesa ngabone eketi ngwakwandira mangana yo mo waziri bwe treasury wike ganchege serikali muske John Mbadi ekero bono yaroreganiringa bunge ya senate yachakire gutwara engusanano ne serikali gose ekero kubwatekana no gutaegwa chibesa korengana na machikali bagwetia senate bono nga tigvara baba kubwatukirwa chibesa kurwase kiganja ya serikali ikiugete nere umuske John Mbadi na boigo page ya gatatu ngukwanerere amangana na serikali haijaacha machifu watano waliotekwa na shababu katibu nga nigo bono panyare gukwanda amangana gosomo principal secretary wa mangana yoborende bwaime umuske Raymond Omolo anyare gotemanga serikali tiranyara gutiga ba chief basaba gambi bali banyarete kubwatwa okocha na koirwa ase ense ya Somalia maite kiro engana kiro ore sense ya Kenya ku ebintu binde nga nechi movie koranga nechi story gete aba gambi patano aba chief
bali banya ko
imagine korwa se place iri okorwa asali omenyete osoiboire wanyaranga aba gambi patano babungani kubairure nse
aba gambi patano
serikali ya Kenya
aba gambi patano aba gambi they were supposed na ubwente koreta law and order gose uburendi nandi bona abakoreta uburendi nandi nabo bagoruka
bakabongigo korwase county area mande
yeah sure nandi nginyorete nga it was just a day before
neli bale ko enda kokoro kwarigania umurai bwense kiraro chiko koreta araro bakamenya kubongani bakatumbu Al-Shabaab bakabaira sense ya Somalia korende koranga serikali nigo yairire ngora kubwatiririe ngane eyo nekiro bono mo riki omonene kima bo mangana yo borende bo imam principal secretary muske Raymond Omolo nyari takoteba nga serikali tereba abakambia bo watano na aiga ngukwanderera mangana nga Judicial Service Commission yadai mawasiliano na Koome yalinaswa na mtu asiyejulikana.
By the way nande mbago 7 million naro chwa saba kaba gambia bu
mangana rabo na makongo aiga ase ayo to gutigira amangana ya oborendi kose bari batenerete bonsi oborendi bwaimbe to chakanera umo waziri Moske Kipchumba Murkomen na aboigo nga JSC yadai mawasiliano ya Koome na Koome yalinaswa na mtu asiyejulikana. Tumeyasema mvamizi huyo wa ajabu alipata pia taarifa za siri na nyeti ambazo zinahusiana na mapendekezo ya kuondoa majaji 7 wa mahakama ya juu afisini. Ngabono omo Chief Justice Musubati Martha Koome nekero akukwana ekira ukwana na bali bonsi bari asamangana Judicial Service Commission bose bari asekiyombekyo ekiro anyarete ko ba kusichinkwana chiae na babwata ni bekyombekiga nigo chanyarete ko ba leaked kusenga omuntu nale okotegerera omente samu nabo kiro kende ego chi yaba personal mono ekerera tokenga no kwata mangana gukwana na wa momino usono kwata mangana gukwana no mwanchogo usamangana naro bwate akisiri mugo discuss una as a group etimu gete mutabwana ntiko sokisiko na benge buna ekera serikali gose ekero cabinet gutware ogoikaransa ebintu mbire bigukwana wase cabinet bitari gosoka uchaza abantu bane
bantu bamwe
kwa makonyoranga omuntu nari ku rusiko utapeti information ya boyonsi amangana yo manya gosoka isiko ono omete koreto bobo bonene ane mona seke kambero aseke kambero kya inse ya Kenya ikibono kya rolekanenga engusana nintindi ya beire igekwenekiwa aroro kigima na tugutigana anayo na ntubwate iga mangana ase page ya 5 na limwe gotebanga wakulima wote wasaidiwe kwa mavuno bora ngabona balimi bonsi bakonywe enchira gose ngakibune yiga imbura ya chakire gotwa banyare gukonyo kwene kinga banyorire ebimeri byo gusimeka naki chimbegu naki ese
tokonyokanga chimbusuro
yes banyorire mbusuro erigo chikwanekia sa ligia kero bono bachire gusimeka igo bono bonsi bali bagoswase chituka kugora moyo kugora chimbusuro nigo bono baboligo guse serikali gendete kone kianga banyorire chimbusuro chire chingia kegema na aboigo nindo chaiga enkwana gotebanga Ruto na Raila kwa kweli wana kibarua kigumu sana aya na magana gose nevirengera bigende tego sangwa na aiga nabona kirondo chenga nonye umugavana bwe county ya Trans Nzoia umuske George anatembea agendete gukwanirayo na kiro tukuri na mangana ali IBC iyo agendete kunyoria aba Kenya kusobo chorio bokoboke ase ense ya Kenya na kiro kiungu kwaniro kirabo ase page ya 5 na rimo na ndo chenga egati yari manena ase gazeti ye narayo nande kiro tukurigana ne gazeti iguseringa nari mwamu ase gazeti ya People Daily yerituko riarero nigo egotebanga greedy MPs grab 7 billion in budget ekiro nga as Raila's allies sees key house committee seats in dramatic changes that saw impeached Gachagwa's proponents kicked out ngabono nigo some egukwanira amang'ana ya babunge na ndokomenta chibesa 7 billion nekero okurigiria ase wizara bunerio bochano itaregwa chibesa na nde komenta buna baria barabasani baime mono obo musikera ila Odinga nigo banyarite kwenyorera amabaga amanene kigima ase ebunge nekero kurigiria gazeti eyo timanyanga amang'ana yechigosori useke minano okechigosori ndoche buna bono amang'ana today's Europa League ase gazeti ya The Standard ekere gukwanira chigosori use ebiminano biribire ritukoria rero nigo egukwanira nga ntubwate buna bono chitimu chigo chesa ritukoria rero
Manchester United ngwakere rero the biggest Manchester United ngwakere rero saa 5 na Real Sociedad alafu igoro Arsenal yabwete yadrete lakini ya qualified lakini arero muri kyokoro Clinton no mutio tiri bwa Arsenal Clinton ondigyo koratira amang'ana maya akonya goteba gari ngabono bairu Real Madrid yanya tukabwe korusio Atletico Madrid so meaning that we are waiting for cheno kimotoni ayirangora Clinton tutawashughulikia tu kidogo
lakini
mbabwete they qualified and they have done good. This is the first time Arsenal ndo chikare gotema sana in terms of the Champions League lakini barabuna abantu banji takotabanga next season unabona you are assured bachireka bachireka
mbali kogenda
bachireka I'm telling you bachireka
Arsenal teri kogenda nka Sam egento manyete gyo kangerena ki kero tukuria no nya table Manchester United nkai inamba ireka moikire
of course intunduru kubwati namba na bengo maite school garia
asiye kubali kushindwa
karati kango time nabakanyora gari ngaki mwasi mubwate chibi lakini chibi echi ni point chinga wataro buna bona tigango bari ke kombe kia English Premier League you are assured that kuru number 2 baka number 20 mbali kwa kombe number 1 yo kwa we are in the same bracket with Arsenal, Chelsea. That's the saddest reality. That is the saddest reality. That number 2 paka number 20 turiko ya kombe. It doesn't matter which number we are good.
Moitava magega more asama tukavwangoiga korende Sam nekero obali banje tukotiotireria mepira ritukoria rero ndocenga chiti munjira igachigo chesa na bono area Tottenham Hotspur versus AZ Alkmaar ndubwate buna bono ya Rangers nchibwate ebiminano rituko oria rero Manchester iyo wakwanire ndubwate Victoria Zen Atletico Club versus Roma nechinde chinyinge chichikokora rituko oria rero omaragoba kose 8:45 pm sambili cha maragoba mbio mona sana mwancho morigiriria nekero kendete kurigiria gose nekero ndasogerie bari babeire ndoche bakendete koba ime iyo moroberie emambi ya bono kuna bono bari batumire ujumbe chabugo chaiga ase studio buna bono mumanyi agoteba na ziporo yegaki nigagoteba gaki mu governor Nyaribo akuburia nga ninki atanjiriti ninki mu governor Nyaribo atanjiriti abamenyi banyamira ntigabukie onchoke majoka Nyamore Mogadishu na abandi abange oyo nigakubolisa mngaki ninki mu governor bwe county ya Nyamira atanjiriti abamenyi baro okuno kubolia kwae nabo igo ekerengereri kae kero kine nabwate sababu ikogera akubolia boigo Roda Ruth agotebanga kurwa Jeda Peter Omari kurwa Suguta Nyamache Adrian's mom kurwa Anyatieko Jeria Kerubo kurwa Ngumbu Manama Barini Manase Nunez agoteba kurwa Muteirimbe na boigo Surambaya Rosafi Thompson Omoisia Omogeni agoteba kurwa Matongo Lutheran Church Cathedral tuned in Otiso Murara Babu kurwa Bobasi Nyamache Bonventure mubisa agotebanga kurwa Omosocho nonde ime yo morobere wika mwerio amaigachire family ya Jared Mubisa Makore mbiamona sana family yao amaiga yekere korende nekero asigo sina sinjo yebro nigo turagende omotimoko moke gosekera tukorana nere Sam erinde tuchuko twara omugeni aiga tunyare kurigereria nararia ria genderete asensemo ya mangana siasa intindi kurwa gusi Nemono tukurigiria korwa ase county eri ya Nyamira igoto basa guska to basa kwenda hande genda gusanga na into ase omorobiriga gwitwani ya Getembe Sam timanyanga onde nare kware gukwanekero ocha gusoka
tiga ntebe ngambye mona sogo tukwate sa magazeti kwani mungwana kurwanga Rogers Nyareki from chinsa mujircha Amsterdam kwani abasani bane bari basonjete mbambi yabona nabange bari batebe ngamutware litukurigia from my side. Yes.
Mbia mana sana mwancho murigiriria kendera kobera ime umuroberio ndi ase egekekere bosyo tunyare kurigiriria ayare agenderete ase orugongo rwagusi no mugeneto weritukoria rero.
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Omogusi, are you ready for this? Omunyangongo na boigo omobui asaboteri Pastor Mary Kirubo. Boigo oli omoredia wumurubiri womusasuku Jumapili ase TV yaone radio ya Getembe bigo akutingira emyaka 35 yobokoreri ubuya inseye y'ubukristo na kurandia enchili watana amonere chinga kichiga akuchingira emyaka ya 35 chitariki 13 cy'umutenyo kane umwaka uyu chitariki 13 cy'umutenyo kane umwaka uyu muyiga orakorekane ase kanisa ya Gospel Embassy Chapel imeyo mucyugiga ubusungo mucyakire chinsebire cy'amambia gwika chinse 11 cy'amagoroba mwensi mwariganirigwe musesenigwe